Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you a very beautiful and cute small bedroom model ideas. You will decorate your home these bedroom models. It's very cute and unique idea. I hope you like this idea. Please give me the comments your opinion. My YouTube friends, please give me your opinion. What do you see in my videos and what do you see in my channel? I try my best to make a video for you. Your good and hopeful comments is very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. Crochet making work people to make easily this bedroom ideas. I hope some my friends very like this video and appreciate my channel. I'm very thankful to my YouTube friends who support me. My lovely friends, your help and appreciation is very important for me, my work and my channel. Give me your good comment. If you like my video, please like and share your friends, relative and subscribe my channel. Thank you.